Good morning. If you're just joining us here on Fresh TV, we are in downtown Elkhart at the 523 Tap and Grill, and I'm standing here with brothers Tony and George Anagnos, and they have been in the business in the downtown area for quite a few years. I think your father started back in the 50s, I think you said to me earlier today. But we're in what used to be Chalkers, and it's beautiful now. If you haven't been here, we're going to talk a little bit about the 523. So Tony, tell us a little bit about what inspired you guys to go ahead and close up and remodel and open up this beautiful restaurant.
Well, like you said, we used to be called Chalkers, and we were more of a sports bar, and we kind of saw what was going on. Our clientele was changing, so we took that initiative, and it was 2 years ago, so we were planning this for 2 years, and just made a change. We noticed that people wanted more food, and all we had were, the state requirements enough to serve liquor, so we added a kitchen.
Well, it's absolutely beautiful, and one thing I like about it is that it's very upscale, very big city feel, but I think anybody can come in here and enjoy a meal.
Right, and when you say upscale, what we're trying not to do is make people feel uncomfortable. Everybody's comfortable, and it's very affordable. Yes. The prices are down there where everybody seems to like them, yep. And so we have a great clientele, and everybody's friendly, and yeah. We love it.
You can come in here and know just about anybody, don't you think, George? Well, we're standing behind their 27-foot bar, which is absolutely beautiful. It's also a place where you can sit and have a meal. You don't have to just sit here for the cocktails. You can stay in this bar area and have an intimate area to eat.
Sure, you can come in, eat right at the bar. We have a very large wine selection. We have a real nice martini selection. We have a 523 martini that we are offering it. It's a seasonal martini, so we change it every when the seasons change. We change the martini, which is kind of a neat idea.
Right. They do have a great martini list. Well, and one thing that caught my eye when I first came into the restaurant was the large curtain that separates the dining from the bar area. You carried the dark wood feel throughout the restaurant, but I do like the curtain that separates you in case you don't want to see the bar area while you're having a dining experience.
Right, and that's exactly what we were going for, is kind of to separate the dining with the bar a little bit, but just have that feel. And then at the end of the night, sometimes we just open the curtain too, and you can get a whole feel and the whole look of the entire bar.
Well, I know one of the things you're excited about is that you brought over Jamie, and I'm not even going to begin to try to pronounce his last name. You can introduce Jamie, but we're going to have Jamie step in. He's the chef here at 523, and he's going to set on the counter there some dishes that are kind of popular. What is Jamie's last name? How do you say it?
Armador.
Armador. Amador. See, it took him a while, too. Well, step on in here, Jamie. What do we have right here in front that you're showing me? Two of the popular things that people like?
Right. These are two of our best sellers. This one on the left is our bruschetta. It's the marinated tomatoes, mozzarella, fresh basil on our garlic crostinis, a little bit of balsamic drizzle, extra virgin olive oil. It's very popular. Here we have our really popular Asian chicken. It's a sampler. We have 3 crispy breaded type chicken tenderloins and 3 skewered satays, and they're accompanied by 2 different sauces, a sweet chili sauce and a spicy peanut sauce, which is the usual thing for satays, and we sell like crazy.
I've had both of them. I've had every appetizer on your menu. I absolutely love the menu here. And let's talk about that real quick before we finish up. You kind of inspired what you wanted to have here on the menu. Can you give us a little background on that?
Well, yeah, the owners being Greek by heritage, I took that into account. We sat down and I spitballed some ideas at them, and I kind of kept their heritage in mind. And I'm half Mexican, so you'll see or notice a lot of my flavors and of that nature in there. We kept it mostly Mediterranean, with a little, just kind of touched on everything else. Though, if you see our menu, we have Caribbean. Jamaican, it's all over the place, really.
Well, it's great food, Jamie. My hat's off to you. You're a great chef. You must be doing something right, because this place is always busy. I suggest that you call and get reservations, and I love the fact that the address, the phone number, and the location are all the same. Just remember, 523-1523 is the way to call and get a reservation, or just come downtown Elkhart to 523 South Main Street. We'll be back in a moment after this short break.